Okay, so hi guys, मेरा नाम सौरभ है. I like to make content on cloud DevOps, Kubernetes in general. So in today's video, what we're going to do is that we're just going to create our software which is going to monitor my server, and we will going to configure everything into a Dockerized way. Apart from that also, we will try that कि उसको हम किसी तरीके से उस एप्लीकेशन को किसी तरीके से हम मोल्ड कर सके, so we can able to manage our all the services which is running into my server. I can manage that server as well. So let me just open my browser और यह चेक करते हैं हम वन बाय वन. ओके, so let me just open the project and create a called manage remote server. I'm going to create a repository called remote server. मैं उस पे ओपन हो जाता हूँ, उस एप्लीकेशन से ओपन हो जाता हूँ, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to ask that my cursor so that to create me an application. Please create a modern web app. Use FastAPI for backend, which will monitor my server using SSH details, which I will provide into the .env example file, and create a modern dashboard which will show all the resources like CPU, RAM, Docker containers, resources, running container list. Also, I can able to manage the server like shutdown, etc., and make the application in Dockerize. ठीक है जी, bingo. So wait करते हैं to make this application to be entirely set up, and yeah, agent mode selected है ना? हाँ, agent mode is selected है. So let me just wait for this thing to set it up, and then we will try to wait for this thing to happen. Okay, so cursor ने अपना जादू कर दिया है. So it has created all the configuration file. So what we have to do is that I just created that .env example to and rename it to .env. Now आपके सिस्टम पे डॉकर इंस्टॉल होना चाहिए. Let me just check. Let me just first go to preferences, go to theme, color theme. Okay, so let me just go to the systemctl restart docker to activate the docker services. And then check, and then what we have to do is that docker compose up -d to activate the my or build my docker daemon. Okay, so let me just check if let's just say everything will be work or not. So we have to wait for this thing to happen completely, and then we will try to access it. Okay. So it will download some couple of files from the application, and let's just see कि भाई किस तरीके से ये काम कर रहा है. So I got an error. Let me just check. ठीक है, मेरी एप्लीकेशन प्रॉपरली चल रही है. लेट मी जस्ट ओपन द ब्राउजर. Let me just go to local host colon 8000, and you will see my entire dashboard right now. I'm getting some error. Let me just check that as well. So वो मांग रहा है private key. Okay, it asking me for private key. I am not using private key. I am using SSH password pasted in the env file. Please modify accordingly. So there are some issue in this right now. So let me just check the service again. So it will use my SSH password rather than the env rather than the key file location. Okay, so we have to abort this thing, or we have to just wait for this thing to happen again. And so it will change the SSH client thing ना. SSH client को ये modify कर रहा है this configuration, and once this will be done, okay, done. I have that I have that thing. So ये बोल रहा है कि docker compose में आपको इस तरीके से modify करना है, which we have already done. So we don't have to do it again. Docker compose में change कर रहा है, so which we have already done it. So it will use that path rather than that key file. Okay. Now applying next mode, docker logs -f. So docker compose up -f in build. So probably it will right now it will use my SSH password rather than this thing. So it asks me to delete the volumes. So okay, done. Let me just refresh this thing, and still I'm getting error. क्या ठीक है. Done. Bingo. So I just have that entire dashboard which is right now here. I can restart my Docker daemon as well, which I don't want right now. So yeah, I can reboot the servers or shut down if required. So यहाँ पे मैं क्या करता हूँ, प्लीज ऐड ब्राइट थीम आल्सो. So it will be really good thing which we have right now. So it will give me the Docker daemon and whatever the CPU of my server, what is the RAM right now using, disk right now using. So it will be a very good thing. And let me just shut it down my application, so I can able to have a style.sh as well.